Welcome friends. In this daily technical analysis video, I will do technical analysis and price prediction for Bitcoin. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now for the motivation. And if you want to get $700 bonus of Binance Exchange, in that case you have to go to in this video's description where you can get this link of Binance. Just click on this link and it will give you $700 bonus after deposit. This bonus is absolutely free. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus, which is absolutely free, and then you have to open Bybit Exchange account. This is the link of Bybit Exchange account. And after deposit you can get these bonuses, and you can withdraw these bonuses and you can trade with these bonuses too. Let's dive into the content, but before this let me please tell you, if you registered with my affiliate link of Binance, in that case whenever you open a trade you will get 25% of 25% special discount on every trade. This discount is on your trading phase. Here you can see Bitcoin is currently at $37,552. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that if Bitcoin fails to break this zone, and in that case it will go down to hit this zone, and I was set this target $35,680. And here you can see how beautifully Bitcoin reject from there, and after that Bitcoin hit my target. And after that I was told you that after hitting this zone Bitcoin should have to move towards upside, and here you can see Bitcoin is moving towards upside. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. This is very good trade. And let me show you how much this trade gives you. 6.80%, with 10x leverage it is 68%. That is very good. And if you open a buy trade from that zone, in that case you will get 5.33%, which is 53% with just 10x leverage. Many congratulations if you took this trade. Now what is next? My first immediate short-term target for the Bitcoin is this zone again, $38,000. Our first target is $38,000. If Bitcoin break this zone, in that case let me please tell you my first immediate short-term target. In that case our second target will be $39,000. Our first target is that zone, which is 38,000 to 38,300. Our second target is $39,000. This is $38,300. This target you can say 38,000 to $38,300. This is our first target, and our second target is 39,081, or you can say 39,000. I was told you that once Bitcoin break this inverse head and shoulder, I was set this target $38,800. Now Bitcoin is ready to hit this target too. And if Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle, because this was a fake out, in that case our target will be, let me please arrange the target. In that case our target will be round about $47,000. I was told you that once Bitcoin break $38,500, my target is $45,000. I was told you in many videos. Now this is my second target. This target will take some time but to achieve, but definitely Bitcoin is going to hit this. Now Our first target is $38,000 to $38,300, and our second target is $39,000. These are immediate short-term targets, and our mid-duration target is $47,000. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Here you can see how beautifully Bitcoin break EMA ribbon towards upside, and now it is turning as a support zone for Bitcoin. That is very, very good sign. Let me please show you the 4-hour chart. In 4-hour chart, let me please, here you can see. In 4-hour chart, EMA ribbon also break this zone. That is very, very good sign. Let me please convert it again into 1-hour chart. This is 1-hour chart. Here you can see. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you the volume. Volume is not very, very satisfactory, maybe some sideways action. Once Bitcoin gains some volume, in that case definitely price will boost. Let me please show you VPVR. Here you can see there are major buying and selling orders of VPVR at 36,000 and 36,600 area. There are very, very strong buying and selling orders are waiting in this area, and after that $37,000 there are very much orders, and after that $37,500 there are less orders. But when Bitcoin break $38,000, 38,200, 38,300, in that case here you can see volume of the VPVR towers are very low. That means Bitcoin will boost from that once Bitcoin break this. And if Bitcoin break towards downside, unfortunately, in that case it can go down to hit $34,800, because after breaking $35,650 there is no much support zone for Bitcoin. This is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, then please thumbs up the like button right now, and if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now for the motivation. And I will do daily Bitcoin technical analysis, and I will definitely give you daily Bitcoin price targets for trading, but I will not responsible any of your losses, because this video is just for informational purpose only. You have to do your own research before entering in any trade, or before starting any trade, or before buying any Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. You should have to do your own research. And if you want to get these bonuses, $700 bonus on Binance Exchange, $1,600 bonus of Bybit Exchange, in that case just go to in this video's description and comment section, where you can get these links. And also when you deposit first deposit you can get these bonuses. And once whenever you trade on Binance with my with the account which open you with my my affiliate link, you will get 25% of special discount in your trading fees. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.